It's a six. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his feet. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be four. No ball called. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's a very good shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Edged, but it's trickled away for four. Unlucky for the bowler. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Missed that completely. Left in frustrating, having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Left in frustrating, having missed out on the last one. Unable to miss that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Here is a fielder at the extra cover. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get this easy single. The bowler missing his line here and that's a wide. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. The bowler missing his line here and that's a wide. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They have been frustrating, having missed out on the last one. That was good bowling and a sharp catch. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Elevation right, but they couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Pitch on the body, it's a nasty delivery. Completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's going for two. That is excellent running.
This is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Oh, that must have really hurt. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Raised and misses. Pacer introduced from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his field. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six.
Can he do it again?
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
Deep point in place.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Last ball of the innings coming up.